Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we will create a Flutter web application that allows users to scroll to different sections of the page using smooth animations. We will use the scroll controller and singlechildscrollview widgets to achieve this functionality. Prerequisites: 1. Basic knowledge of Flutter and Dart. 2. Flutter SDK installed on your machine. 3. A Flutter project set up for web. Step 1. Create a new Flutter web project. If you don't have a project, you can create a new one with the following command. Bash Flutter create Flutter_web_scroll. cd Flutter_web_scroll. Step 2. Update pubspec.yaml. Make sure you have the latest Flutter version in your pubspec.yaml. You can also add any necessary dependencies, but for this tutorial, we will use the built-in Flutter widgets. YAML. Dependencies. Flutter. SDK, Flutter. Step 3, create the UI. In your lib/main.dart file, create the UI for the scrollable sections. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Void main. Run app, myapp. Class myapp extends stateless widget. At override. Widget build context. Return material app. Title, Flutter web scroll tutorial. Theme data. Primary swatch, colors.blue. Home, scroll to section. Class scroll to section extends stateful widget. At override. Scroll to section state create state equals _scroll to section state. Class _scroll to section state extends state scroll to section. Final scroll controller _controller equals scroll controller. Void scroll to section, double offset. _controller.animateto. Offset. Duration, seconds, 1. Curve, curves.ease in out. At override. Widget build context. Return scaffold. App bar. Title, text, scroll to section. Actions. Text button. On pressed, equals scroll to section, 0. Child, text, section 1, style, text style, color, colors.white. Text button. On pressed, equals scroll to section, 600. Child, text, section 2, style, text style, color, colors.white. Text button. On pressed, equals scroll to section, 1200. Child, text, section 3, style, text style, color, colors.white. Body, singlechildscrollview. Controller, _controller. Child, column. Children. Container. Height, 600. Color, colors.red. Child, center, child, text, section 1, style, text style, font size, 32, color, colors.white. Container. Height, 600. Color, colors.green. Child, center, child, text, section 2, style, text style, font size, 32, color, colors.white. Container. Height, 600. Color, colors.blue. Child, center, child, text, section 3, style, text style, font size, 32, color, colors.white. Explanation of the code. 1. Main function, the main function runs the app. 2. My app class, this is the main widget that sets up the material app. 3. Scroll to section class, this stateful widget contains the scroll logic. 4. Scroll controller, we initiate a scroll controller to control the scrolling behavior. 5. Scroll to section method, this method takes an offset and animates the scroll to that position. 6. App bar, contains buttons to scroll to different sections. 7. Single child scroll view, wraps a column with 3 containers that represent different sections. Step 4, run your Flutter web app. To run your app, use the following command. Bash Flutter run dchrome. Conclusion. You have successfully created a Flutter web application with scroll to section functionality. Users can click on the buttons in the app bar to smoothly scroll to the corresponding sections of the page. You can further customize the design and add more sections as needed. Feel free to expand on this tutorial by adding features like active link highlighting or more complex animations. Happy coding!